we'll discuss about Python software installation. We'll visit Python official website, that is python.org. This is the official website. Here you can see downloads, documentation, community, success stories, news and events. This is the official website. You can visit this website multiple times and observe all these things. Now we will see downloads and go to Windows. If your system is Mac OS, you can choose Mac OS. Ours is Windows, so we'll visit Windows. You can see here download for Windows latest version 3.13.3 as of now. Click on Windows. Here you can see stable releases, pre-releases. We'll go for stable releases, and out of which you can see various version like 3.9.22, 3.11.12. You can see all the information about various versions here. If you see pre-releases 3.14.0b2 released on May 26, 2025, you can see all the versions, previous versions and current versions. Now we'll go and install Python 3.13.3, which is released on April 8, 2025. Okay, now download Windows installer 64-bit. You can see here the link for download Windows installer 64-bit. Okay, click on it. If your machine is 32-bit, you can choose this one. Since my machine is having 64-bit, where can you check? Control panel. You can system and security, system. You can see here system type 64-bit operating system. Okay, yeah, here you can see, go to the this particular file which is downloaded in the yeah, here you can see this is the one, Python 3.13.3 AMD 64. Okay, now this one, click on it, double click. Here you can see this particular window which is showing install Python 3.13.3 64-bit. There are two options, install now and customize installation. Okay, you can choose any one of it. Here what they say, select install now to install Python with the default settings, or choose customize to enable or disable features. Okay, we can choose anything, fine. So we'll choose install now with the default settings. It is installing. We'll have to wait for some time. Yeah, setup was successful. Close it. Now this is the one. Okay, this is the path. Okay, open command prompt here and go to this path, change directory and paste the path here. It goes to downloads. Okay, now we'll create one sample file. Here we'll write very small program. Let us take one variable a which is having the integer value 100. Will this print this value, And one more thing we'll see. uh, let us take one more variable which is holding string value like welcome. Print b. So this program will save in the downloads folder, and this is the file first program. First underscore program. All Python files should have extension of py. Py means that file is a Python file, a Python program. So save it. Here you can choose Python file as well. This one. Okay. Save. So it is saved like this. Now we will execute this program by using Python software, because where we are under downloads folder. In the downloads folder we have Python software. Now in order to execute a program, we need to type the instruction like this: python Python followed by the file name. What is the file name? First underscore program dot py. Okay. Enter. It has to give the result a value equal to 100. Here print a means whatever the value that is stored in the a variable, it will print 100, and b equal to welcome, print b. So b value welcome. First one is an integer number and another one is string. So we'll have to get result 100 and welcome. Same thing, we'll check it here. See here, 100 welcome. That's all for this video.